bright star is hidden beneath us, somewhere within Lady Korvac's sanctum. Vader has the only key, but he needs a descendant of the ladies to wield it.
Korvax? That creepy guy said you were a descendant of Lady Korvax. Is that what Violet meant about your bloodline?
You will be able to unlock Lady Korvax's sanctum. What you seek is finally within your grasp.
I will not be denied. You will help seize the Bright Star. I sense a latent force ability within you. Follow me and I will instruct you in its ways. You will need the Force if you are to survive the path ahead. Lady Korvax herself, your ancestor. Like you, she was Force-sensitive, but she was weak, crippled by sentiment. Take heed you don't make the same mistake. The Force is more powerful than you can possibly imagine. The Force reveals mysteries that make the weak turn away in fear. If the Force is truly your servant, you can unlock the secrets of life and death. Lady Korvax's devices could only be controlled by her or her descendants. Your blood makes you powerful, but you will need to learn the ways of the Force. Your training begins now. Now, reach out your hand. Use the Force to take control of this stone. It is responding to your bloodline. Use the Force to place the stone. Yes, you've woken it. Now, complete what you have begun. You show promise, but you have much to learn. Defend yourself. Unleash the Force and cast it away from you. Your fear is holding you back. Conquer it. Embrace your anger. Cast it away. Enough. You have glimpsed the power of the Force. We will resume your training later.
To you, my future descendant hearing me now, tread carefully. My husband received a mortal blow in battle. Desperate to revive him, I created a machine to harness the Bright Star, the Mustafarian's life-giving crystal. The machine created terrible destruction. Mustafar and all who dwell here paid for my transgressions. You, my descendant, may have a chance to heal what I wrought. I have hidden the Bright Star. Seek it in my husband's tomb. Used justly, it could be Mustafa's salvation. Please, help me.
Lady Korvax did not understand what she created. With the power of the Eon Engine, I will become unstoppable. Use the Force. Destroy these vermin. Instincts serve you well. Let us continue. Control your fear. Don't move.
Heed me. Vader seeks the Bright Star. He must not succeed. I have glimpsed a terrible future, where he controls its power. Worlds, entire galaxies will crumble in his grasp. Surrendering their vitality in order to feed his insatiable hunger. You must find the Bright Star before Vader does. Return it to the Mustafarians. Entrust it in their keeping. And perhaps they can heal this cursed world. I have suspended time, but only briefly. You must climb. The tomb containing the Bright Star lies above. I am weakening. Go.
can't believe it, Captain. You're alive. Whoa! There's a giant, creature below you. That Hurry, Captain, before that thing comes back. That was amazing. Okay, you gotta catch me up here, because I don't understand why you never mentioned that you had the Force.
I knew it! The moment I saw you with Vader, I knew you were special. You can summon the life current.
I'm not gonna lie, Captain. I thought for sure you were just... Oh, and check this out! Violet is Coda. He deputized me, which technically means I sort of outrank you. Sorry, bud.
Thanks to you, we are closer to the bright star than ever. Lord Corvax's tomb is near. I can show you the way, but we have to move quickly. Vader must not get to the crypt before we do.
Ugh, everything's hurry with this guy. He won't even slow down to hunt for loot. I've seen a ton, which I'd like to bring with me. This does not look safe. What's this thing?
A sentinel. They were left to guard this place. Machines like you.
Oh, an android.
We must move on. There should be a way out of here.
Infernal contraption? Man, I think Violet's cracking up. Let's get him his bright star. Get the criff off this planet.
Lady Corvax used these stones to power her technology.
Nice. And probably worth something.
Seriously?
What? Come on.
You are unbelievable. The bright star was more powerful than all the crystals here combined. Lady Corvax created the Eon Engine to channel the bright star's energy. The destruction it unleashed reduced our planet to a wasteland. As long as outsiders desire the bright star's power, Mustafar will never be free. Marching horde. Lady Corvax's Sentinel army.
I don't like the look of this place.
The crypt should be that way. Only one of the Corvax bloodline can pass.
I think he means you, Captain. I don't even have blood.
Return the Bright Star to the Mustafarians. They may be able to heal the damage done by Lady Corvax. My Lady Corvax. She tried to save me from death. I was cursed. Trapped between this world and the next. Take my light sword from the statue. It will unlock the Bright Star. Return the Bright Star to the Mustafarians, and I may be freed from this curse.
box thing?
After all these centuries. Let me see it, please.
And you were the key to unlocking it. Your ancestry. Sure beats my family heirlooms.
Thank you. This will give my people a chance of freedom.
Okay, Lord Master. You got your bright star. And you're welcome, by the way. Once we get our ship back, let's skedaddle.
We better get going.
So you think the priestess is gonna meet us here, or what? What do we do?
Thank you. I am sorry.
Sorry? What? Being afraid is awesome! Am I right, Captain? I've never felt so... Wait. What are you sorry for? You rat! I knew we shouldn't have trusted you.
No! Vader only seeks the bright star. Now that he has it, he will leave us.
Enough. Did you think you could become my apprentice? You were a means to an end, but now you have outlived your usefulness.
That better not be Violet.
Please.
No. No. You betrayed us. You betrayed everyone on Mustafar.
I thought if we rid the planet of the bright star, we would finally be free. But now I see that the only path to freedom is to work together. To get the bright star back. We
Captain! Oh, you took a big hit there. Are you okay? looks like an old doorway over there. If we can sneak over, maybe we can get out.
May the sleeper guide your spirit along the river of stars. Vader won't waste any time activating the Eon engine. When he does, he will destroy what little life still clings to our planet. Only you can face Vader. Our only hope is to attack his castle.
Wait, you want us to take on the entire garrison? We need an army for that.
You have an army.